Is YouTube TV buffering? Let's troubleshoot. Buffering on YouTube TV is often caused by internet connectivity issues, high traffic, or device limitations. Start by checking your internet speed. YouTube TV recommends at least 13 megabits per second for smooth streaming. If your connection is slow, try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection for stability. If your internet is fine, the issue might be with the app or device. Clear the app cache, update the app, or restart your device. Buffering can also occur during peak hours when many users are streaming simultaneously. In such cases, reducing video quality in settings may help. Occasionally, YouTube TV's servers may experience outages, so check platforms like Down Detector to see if others are reporting issues. If all else fails, contact YouTube TV support for assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.